refer to me as Cleveland's hope. It ain't even cocky or nothing, just trying to give hope through the lyrics I quote, you feel? Stop playing with I'm not a rapper, I'm a bar distributor. They some wannabe ballers like that off of Mr. Cooper. I'm a match made in heaven with a talented producer. If they taught a rap class, then I would tutor the tutor. I'm a pupil/student that made the teacher respect me. No duplicating my steed, these writers can't etch and sketch me. Cleveland fitted cap wearing, whack round cheek tearing. Write it all over again, put a pen not caring. If the game wasn't so trash, then I would be satisfied. Wouldn't have to work overtime just to keep rap alive. I wouldn't pick up the pen at least 1 hour out the day. I wouldn't run up in studios and move cowards out the way. I feel like quitting my dream, but I can't do it now. When I feel like my city needs me, the media did us foul. And I'm not blaming it on homie from Akron, it's not his fault. If you feel one man flattened our city, you must be lost. Come follow me on this path. I'm training it through the trenches with most of my people who struggle to make it they feel defenseless. So I try to give them hope in every written sentence while battling with my vices like winos on project benches. I said I was Cleveland's hope back in the day and I meant it. Now fast forward to present, my talents remain splendid. My thoughts are powerful, it could make your brain hemorrhage. I'm beastin' like Popeye, we probably share the same spinach. Hey, hip-hop music, yes I do it. Yes I spit my verse so fluid. Yes I grab that mic and quote nothing but the best. I'm Cleveland, so you know hip-hop music. Yes we do it. Yes we spit them bars so fluid. Yes I grab that mic and quote nothing but the best. Hey, you know the rest. They might be talking like, how dare he call himself that? He never had a record deal, and tell me where's his wealth at? Exactly, I'm one of you, but recognize my net worth. Plus I'm independent, so I chop it with the next verse. A lot of them drop the ball and ship and have uniforms. When you perform, you never ever weather ruthless storms that I survived through. But God was only testing me to see if I was built for the top I've yet to see. It's all about balance, reaching you through telepathy. My music is the link you should choose to connect with me. The black man's plight can easily start stressing me. I guarantee you this, a statistic I will never be. Cause when I hang the mic up and I leave it on the stage, they'll say that dude was colder than the whole ice age. While the critics nitpick, my supporters will be proud. I gave them hope in the city where we dodge a black cloud. Cause hip-hop music, yes I do it. Yes I spit my verse so fluid. Yes I grab that mic and quote nothing but the best. I'm Cleveland, so you know hip-hop music. Yes we do it. Yes we spit our bars so fluid. Yes we grab that mic and quote nothing but the best. Hey, y'all know the rest was.
Shackling the Nexus with drastic rap tactics.